This is the brightness control experiment. The dial is a 50K ohm resistor, and as the dial is turned to the left, the resistance in the circuit is low and the LED is bright because a large current flows. As you turn the dial to the right, the resistance increases and the LED will become dim because there's more resistance. And in this next part, the wire, one of the green wires was moved from C14 to C16, and as you turn the dial from left to right, the LED goes from very dim to very bright. So the opposite happens, because you are decreasing the resistance between the center and the right pins. So that's what happens. You change it opposite. And then in this video, I removed the 1K ohm resistor from the hole J15 and inserted it into the C14. And the LED is dim, and turning the resistor dial won't make it any brighter. So the resistance between the left and right pins is always 50K ohms, and the part acts just like one of the other resistors in my kit.